Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, how to send CV via email from phone. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to send a CV or your CV here via your phone and your PC is not available, well, sending your CV via your phone is quite easy. So, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the Google or Gmail app here. Now, inside the app, you want to go and click on Compose at the bottom right. And in here at the top right, you should notice that there are three buttons. So you have the three-dotted option, the send button, and also the paperclip button there. So if you click on the paperclip button, that's actually the attach button. So from here, you have our options. So you have photos, camera, files, and drive. Now, the thing with CVs is usually they are saved as PDFs. Now, if you don't have your CV yet in a PDF, you may want to save that in a PDF first for easy accessibility. But you could also send like docs file here if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, so instead of choosing either photos or camera here, go and choose the files option. Now, once you've chosen files, you want to go and locate where the file is actually added or where you have this downloaded. Now, typically, if you download it from somewhere, like for example, it came from Messenger or it came from your folder online, well, typically it's going to be under the downloads folder. Now, if you've downloaded or added this on a specific folder, like let's just say the documents folder here, you want to go and select that and open up the downloads folder or any of the volume folders here or just outside the folder and see if the file is actually there. But once you do find the file, so usually it's going to be a PDF file here, so you should be able to see it. Just make sure that the file name is correct. Go ahead and select the file, and it's going to be automatically attached. Now from here, you can go and just say whatever you want in here, type in whatever you want, and you can go and just specify the actual recipient, and you want to go and just click on the send button at the top right to send your CV via email, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.